Hello everyone, ET Studios here, and today a bit of a different video. So, I'm busy building myself a PC. It's going to be a relatively good gaming PC, but not super decent. Now, you may have noticed this is a Socket 775 motherboard, so I did make sure that it has quad-core capability, and I've already ordered off eBay an Intel Core 2 Quad Q6600. Stock speed's at 2.4 GHz, and it can be overclocked quite easily to 3 GHz. Now, another cool thing about this PC, it does have PCI Express port 2.0, so I'm going to be checking in an HD 6770 or somewhere around that. They're not too expensive, and I should be able to put them together. Now, I'm trying to make this as cheap as possible. I've already gathered all of the parts you see in front of you completely for free. I didn't pay a cent for anything here. So that's from like my friends, family members, people who've just been checking out old PCs, and yeah. So the case itself came from an old office computer that was still working, but nothing in it was really worth using, and the power supply was broken. So I checked that motherboard and I found this one from another office computer. I didn't keep the case, but I managed to get this motherboard. It's P5B-VMDO/S motherboard from Asus, and I think it's pretty cool. It's not amazing, it's an office thing, but it supports up to 8 GB of DDR2 RAM. I've managed to get myself 8 GB of DDR2, 800 MHz RAM, which is great. In there, at the moment, it's a 250 GB hard drive from Seagate, and soon I'll have the processor. I've ordered an Antec cooler as well, so I can start overclocking, and hopefully a graphics card will be coming into the mix pretty soon. I have tested the parts of this gigabyte power supply, but that's only temporary, and I'm going to be grabbing myself a 450 watt, maybe a 500 watt power supply in the near future. So this PC is going to be pretty cool. So this is part 1 of the vlog, and hopefully we'll have a part 2 when the processor comes in and the cooler, and then we'll have a part 3 when we get the graphics card and we can do some benchmarks. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.